Hey, what's up guys, my name is David and today I'll show you how to check if someone is monetized or not on YouTube. You can do that because we don't have a button which says hey I'm monetized or hey I'm not monetized. So to check if someone is monetized, let's reach a channel. Let's search for something. How to install Windows 11 just as a random search, and let's pick a random channel. Let's hit that very randomly. And let's hit their channel page, and once you'll be on their channel page, as you can see they have 538,000 subscribers and over 100 videos. So to check if they are monetized or not, when you are on their homepage, you just have to right click and press on view page source. Once you are here, do not worry, just press Ctrl and F. A search bar just appeared here on top. And here you have to search for monetization, and you can locate here monetization enabled value true. If the value is true, it means that they are monetized. If the value is false, it means that they are not monetized. So this is how to check if someone is monetized or not on YouTube. I really hope I help you with this tutorial. I want to thank you a lot for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube guides.